Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the Soundpeats A2. These are over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones. These feature 20 hours of battery life. They have a button that boosts the bass, so that's pretty cool. I'm interested to check that out. And they can be plugged into your phone or computer if the battery dies. All that for only $29 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go and open them up and check them out. They come in a nice cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. Slide that out. First thing, looks like we have a nice carrying case right here. Really cool Soundpeats logo on it. It's a stretchy material, not very protective, but this will definitely hold them in place. Inside the carrying case, we have the charging cable, which is micro USB to standard A-type USB. And then we have an auxiliary cable. Like I said, this can be used if the battery dies in the headphones. You just plug them in and they'll work forever. Also in the box, we have an owner's manual. So let's take a closer look at the Soundpeats A2. I have to say, overall, the design is awesome. I really like the look of these. This kind of shiny S for Soundpeats is really cool looking with this accented silver. Looks great. I love the way these look. They look very robust too. I'm really interested to see how they look and feel on my head. So as you can see, very cushioned earmuffs, and these are definitely big enough to fit your whole ear, so these aren't going to be sitting on top of your earlobes and causing any pain in that way. They are adjustable on both sides. They can fit different size heads and hats, hair, everything like that. And then the headband is also cushioned pretty well right here. I'd say that about ½ inch of cushioning on everything. On the left side, we don't really have much. We have another one of the logos with the silver accent. No buttons or anything like that. So on the right side, this is where everything's going on. On the top, we have the bass boost button. And then we have the play button, which is also acting as the power button. And then we have a plus and a minus button, which will control the volume and also change the track. And then on the bottom here, we have the micro USB charging port and the auxiliary port for plugging it into another device and listening to audio that way. So overall, these are pretty simple headphones. They look great in my opinion, and they feel very, very light. They also feel like they're well built, and as you can see, I can kind of twist them. No issues with any cracking noises. They don't feel like they're very cheap at all. So it seems like these headphones will last a long time. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these connected to my phone and then I'll try them on. All right, so I'm just gonna turn them on and put them in pairing mode by just holding down the power button right here. See the little blue indicator light that they're on. They come up on my phone as Soundpeats A2, and we're connected. And as you can see, they came with 90% battery. Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick example of what the A2s look like on your head, as well as what they sound like, because all the audio you're hearing right now is coming through the microphone on the headphones. As you can see, they look pretty good. They actually feel really good as well. I do have them adjusted out a little bit so that they fit on my head. I do have a larger head though, but they feel very secure and very light. I think you could wear these when you're working out, when you're running, anything like that. You'd have no issues at all. The cushions on the side are very soft as well, and I have no issues with them sitting on my earlobe. It's sitting around my ear and not touching my ear at all. Also on the top of my head, I don't even feel this headband at all. All these headphones are very comfortable. All right, so as you just heard right there, the microphone, not that great. You could understand what I'm saying, but it sounds like I'm talking through like a pipe or something like that. I guess it's kind of what you would expect from like a tiny little microphone like that, but I've heard better on headphones, especially in this price range. So if you're thinking about talking on the phone a lot with these, I don't think I'd recommend them for that. Overall, when wearing these headphones, I do like the way they feel. They're very light and they feel very comfortable in my head. Like I said before, they fit over your ears very well, and you just have huge cushions on both the earmuffs and the headband right here. So no issue there with it being comfortable, especially after a long time. So while I was listening to music and podcasts with these, I do have to say very impressed with the sound quality. When I was listening to music, it sounded great. You have a very good range and it was extremely clear. So you had really good clear highs, and then the bass was pretty strong. Like it sounded very strong. You could somewhat feel it. And this little bass button right here, it kind of amplifies everything. So I guess this is a little equalizer, but it really intensified the listening experience for really the entire range of sound. So it brought it up a little bit higher. These get very loud, by the way, extremely loud. I probably had them on max of 50% when I was wearing them, but the bass was clear the entire time. There's no static or anything like that. I would say these headphones have very high quality sound for the price of $30. Listen to podcasts and things like that. The vocals came through very clear. It was very easy to understand what they were saying. There is a little bit of sound leakage with these. It's not as bad as some other headphones I've tried, but that is something to think about if you are going to get these. So real quick, I want to test out this case. So as you can see, these fit very well. It does cinch down so that they're in there and they're not going to come out. You could fit the cables in there, as well as maybe even a power bank if you wanted to. This material is pretty thin. It's not going to protect from like a fall or something crushing it, but it's going to protect from scratches and other little small blemishes like that. So this is a pretty good case, and you could use it for something else if you wanted to. So those were the Soundpeats A2's over-ear Bluetooth headphones. I have to say overall for a price of $30, I would recommend these headphones. I was impressed with the sound quality and how comfortable and lightweight they are. The build quality does seem to be high. There's no cracking noises or anywhere where I feel this is coming apart. And the plastic seems to be pretty high quality as well. The look of the headphones are great with this nice little shiny S on both sides. So I think that's also an added bonus with this accent of the silver. If you have any questions about the Soundpeats A2s, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.